Hello everybody, my name is Jason and welcome to your Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. In this Word of the Day video, let's talk about and use the noun specimen. Specimen. Specimen means a small amount or individual used for studying the whole thing or group. Let's use specimen in a few sentences. The church was a magnificent specimen of medieval architecture. His dance partner was a superb physical specimen. The scientist broke off a chip of the mysterious glowing rock and placed the specimen under the microscope to identify it. Try to find opportunities to use the word specimen in your everyday English conversations. My name is Jason. This has been your Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. Please like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to receive notifications of future English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you again.